Your portfolio proves you can do the work, but it is rarely read first. For most roles, the first filter is an applicant tracking system that ranks your resume on keywords, followed by a recruiter who schemes for about 6 seconds. A resume that does not parse cleanly or lacks the right terms never reaches a human. In this lesson, you will write outcome-driven bullets, mirror real job description keywords, build a truthful skills section, and position certifications honestly, producing a one-page, ATS-clean, metric-driven resume. Replace task lists with outcomes using a simple structure: what you did, how you did it, and the measurable impact. Start every bullet with an ownership verb like led, shipped, or defined, not responsible for or helped. Name the method, a PRD, a golden set eval, an A/B test, a metric tree, so the bullet shows method, not just result. And quantify. Where a headline number could hide a regression, pair it with a guardrail metric, for example 40% deflection while holding the hallucination rate under a preset 2% threshold. Compare worked on an AI feature with shipped an LLM support assistant that cut average handle time about 28% and deflected 40% of Tier 1 tickets. Only the second earns a callback. Even simulated capstone work can quantify, but honestly, state a projected or modeled impact with the reasoning, and signal it was self-directed. Presenting a projection as a realized production result, or inflating it, collapses the moment an interviewer probes, so keep every number defensible. Both applicant tracking systems and recruiter searches rank you on relevance to the specific role, so align your resume's language to each posting's real terms, only for skills you actually have and can defend. Read several postings for your target title and note the recurring vocabulary. That intersection is your keyword set. This is alignment, not stuffing. Do not hide a block of white text keywords, parsers and recruiters catch it, and do not claim a tool you have never used. A gap in the posting is something to learn, not a word to fake. A scannable skills section helps both the parser and the recruiter, and it must map truthfully to what you did in this course. Group AI product skills like LLM features, evals, prompt design, and guardrails, product craft like PRDs, road mapping, RICE, and metric trees, data skills like A/B testing and analytics tools such as Amplitude or Mixpanel, and responsible AI, including awareness of the EU AI Act's risk-based obligations. List only tools you can speak to, because each line here is a question an interviewer may open. Your resume must survive both a parser and a 6-second skim. Keep it to one page for most candidates, single column, with standard headings and a common font. Avoid tables, text boxes, and multi-column layouts that parsers scramble, and never put skills or contact details inside an image or only in the header, where some parsers ignore them. Front-load a short summary line and your strongest, most relevant bullets so the skim lands on impact. Save as PDF unless the posting asks for a Word document. Be honest about certifications. Product management is experience and portfolio-led, and no single credential is required to be hired. Position certs as supplements that show commitment and shared vocabulary. AIPMM Certified Product Manager signals standard PM frameworks, Pragmatic Institute is respected market-driven training, and the Google Project Management Certificate is a broad foundation, though noted as project, not product, management. List them near education, never above your impact. In an interview, a credential gets a sentence, but your portfolio gets the whole conversation. Keep one master resume and tailor it per application.